So what do we see in January? Cold, right? So if you look at the Northern Hemisphere, North America, Asia, you see a very cold continental pattern. Greenland, wow, negative 48 degrees. These are degrees C, as you can probably figure out when looking at those. That's a very cold temperature. There's a big swing, of course, by time of year. But one of the things, if you look at Antarctica, even during their summer, if you go down and look at that large area of Antarctica to the right, still negative 30 degrees C there on the interior. That's very, very cold. You can look at the scale there and see that that's roughly the same temperature Fahrenheit. The numbers are pretty much the same. So very, very, very cold place, even in their summertime when the days are really, really long in Antarctica. Just lots of sun being reflected off the ice and an ice sheet, and also there's some elevation there. So Antarctica is a very cold place.